In this video, I'll show you how to use Uniswap with your Coinbase wallet in 2025. This is perfect if you want to swap tokens or interact with decentralized finance without using a centralized exchange. If you are using Android or iOS, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download Coinbase Wallet. This is not the main Coinbase app. Once installed, open the app and either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. If you are on desktop, visit the official Uniswap website at app.uniswap.org. Make sure you're on the correct site. If you already have a Coinbase Wallet account, simply sign in. If not, click Sign Up and create your account. Once that's done, on the Uniswap interface, you'll see the swap section where you can convert one crypto token to another. For example, you could convert Ethereum to USDT or DAI by entering the amount you want to swap. After selecting the tokens, click Get Started. You'll then be asked to connect wallet. Click on that, and on the right side, you'll see different wallet connection options. Choose Coinbase Wallet. You can connect directly or by scanning the QR code with your Coinbase Wallet app. Once connected, you're ready to swap. Simply select the token you want to swap from, the token you want to receive, and confirm the transaction. Transactions may take a few seconds or minutes depending on network congestion. You can view the transaction history inside the Coinbase Wallet app. For smooth swaps, always make sure you have enough ETH for gas fees. Also, double-check the token contract addresses if you're swapping lesser-known tokens. If needed, you can adjust the slippage tolerance in the settings for more control. And that's how you use Uniswap with Coinbase Wallet in 2025. It's easy, quick, and gives you full control over your swaps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.